Sanibona and welcome to my YouTube channel. So Musa Msaleko and his wives, Umangwabe, Umakhumalo, and Umacele are the ones who managed to show up ngesikhathi kahle, but umayeni is still late because undlula emsebenzini. Yes, one. So Umusa gave them paintings to paint how they feel and all that, and the therapist will come. So they would unpack everything kuyena, and then yena she will get a chance to analyze and tell them how is what using her expertise. Ayizwa leyo nto. Khumalo and Umangwabe and Umayini are supposed to share one house. Umusa with Khumalo and Umakhwela is nowhere to be found. Khumalo nje yena, she's very tired the way she summed nje ukuthi she's no longer interested in anything that Umusa says, or mhlawumbe she says like a different light. I don't know, but nje she's like the more ngingakuboni, the more ngingakhuluma naye, the more ngayenza lutho naye, kuba nekuthula, kuba ne-peace yabo. So I prefer that more than anything, because if I see him kuba nokulwa nje, something nje smallanyana lengayenzi sense nje, it will lead us to that moment, and nje I try to avoid that ngaloku kukhulu ukushesha. So Umacele and Umseleki were doing their pictures bona, the paintings, and Umacele says that over the years she enjoyed so much because wavuma yakhe noMusa Mseleki. But lokuyakhe ngathi akupheli, number one. Number two, there are people who feel like yena took something that belonged to them. Kodwa yena wafika wayitholela indoda eyodwa, wayithathela indoda, wavuma ukuthi she's gonna be the first wife. Lokuyena lokunye, no, yena bangamfaki mfana. Ningamfaki mfethu yena, she's not part of that. Yena uthi ngokwakha, and wayivumela indoda yakhe ukuthi you know what, girls must build for the wives, for the too much, for the addition and all that. But now it feels like sekunguye la kufuneka engathi sacrifice with herself and all that, but she's not for that. I understand. And Umusa says Umangwabe, in each and everything that ever happened, Umangwabe never made him feel like he's no longer a husband or the right husband or anything. Uyayibona nje leyo nto. So I'm sitting here thinking that over the years, Umusa has said a lot of things about Umangwabe. Umusa has said like a lot of bad things. I remember in one season, Uzinande, even I don't know if it's Uzinande or Uban, the oldest, she cried because of the things that was said about her mom by her father, her dad, Umusa Mseleki, when she was like, angizithandi lezi zinto lezi ubaba akhuluma ngazo, the things that he says on national television. People are watching this and ubaba is talking about my mom. I understand. Angiyithandi lento. She cried. Because almost like no one is reprimanding him, no one is saying anything to stop. Almost has spent a lot of seasons talking about Umangwabe, disrespect from Umangwabe, Umangwabe not appreciating him, Umangwabe not showing up for him, Umangwabe not supporting him, Umangwabe coming from a family that didn't like give her respect, or respect, how to respect household, how to respect umyeni, how to be like each and everything. I understand. Today, Umusa Mseleko says that with everything that has been happening between him and Umangwabe, Umangwabe never made him feel some type of way. Umangwabe never made him feel that way. The way that he has been explaining to us all these seasons, Umangwabe never made him feel that way. So that's why he respects Umangwabe. That's why he still appreciates Umangwabe. That's why it's what. Which is a different story between him and Khumalo, because Khumalo is like, ngazi she doesn't care and all that and all that. I'm like, Haibo Musa. So now because we're Nano Mangwabe, you are good. So you are retracting in everything that you said over the years, all these seasons. So mind you, all of a sudden nje, so Makhumalo who's all that and this and that. So Makhumalo lokhulunywa ngaye kanjena. Hayi bomfana. Like seriously, I feel like almost I should tell us which wife to hate, because this season we cannot be hating this one, and then the next season hating this one, and then the next season. Aibo, sizobazonda bonke mos. And when you sit down and try to analyze and understand where they're coming from, all to find ukuthi abekho wrong in any way. It's just that Umusa has a way of making it seem like wrong. The only thing uMangwabe said, the only thing that uMangwabe said was that she was gonna leave if Umusa Mseleku added another wife. Yabo? And she took few steps back and she was like, I'm no longer interested in this family building and all that. And from there, an explosion came. Umusa Mseleku was attacking uMangwabe each and every day. Now it's Makhumalo. Because Makhumalo says, I don't want anything to do with your last wife. And the explosion